Hello, myself Ajit, and I got my desired score, which is 82 overall. So I got 84 in writing and reading, speaking 90, and listening 81. So I would like to thank Roman PD and his staff. Nishan is really helping me to get my desired score. He always give me feedback where I'm lacking. So also the Roman website is really helpful. The mock test on the website really helped me to get my desired score. When it comes to practice, first I start to take the classes from Roman, and after that I go to the website. I practice online section from speaking to the listening, and then I get a feedback from Roman that really helped me to get my desired score. Thank you everyone, and all the best to everyone. So please come and visit Roman PD, and you guys can see the results. Thank you.